Hi besties, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another vlog. To all my returning subbies, my besties, thank you so much for always choosing this place. And to all my new subscribers, my new viewers, thank you so much for coming in. I hope you like what you see and you hit the subscribe button to become part of the family. So we are starting Vlogtober, and today it's episode 1 of Vlogtober. It's the 1st of October and my birthday is on the 3rd of October, which is Friday. So please just say birthday in the comment section, and don't just say birthday. I want to see those presents coming in. Okay, so let's get into today's video. So in today's video, we are going to be making pickled beetroot. I'm just going to show you how I make pickled beetroot. So let's get into the vlog. have come to the end of today's vlog. So I'm just going to show you the beetroot that I made. I made that beetroot I think about 6 or 5 days ago. So I'm going to show you the result, and we are going to test it together to see if it worked. But this is my second time making this. The first time I had a recipe, but I don't know where I put that recipe. I don't even remember which site I found it on. So the second time around, I was just trying to guess and figure out how to make it. So let's take one of the bottles and I'll taste it and tell you guys what I think. So this is one of the bottles. Okay, let me get a fork. Let's just use a spoon. This is actually nice. I think I could have added a little bit more sugar, but this is fine. This is completely fine. I like this. I enjoy this. So tell me in the comment section down below, have you ever made pickled beetroot before, and what do you add if you make pickled beetroot? Or maybe you prefer buying it from the store, and if you buy it from the store, tell me which store you prefer to buy it from. So yeah, I'm happy with what we have made. So see you guys in the next episode of Vlogtober. I love you. Bye.